What's the meaning of Black Wednesday? Black Wednesday. Black Wednesday.
Black Wednesday. Black Wednesday. Black Wednesday, also known as the Great Storm of 1987, refers to a financial crisis that occurred on October 16, 1987. On this day, the British government was forced to withdraw the pound sterling from the European Exchange Rate Mechanism (ERM) due to a speculative attack against the currency. This caused chaos in financial markets across the world, with stock markets plummeting and interest rates soaring. The name Black Wednesday was given to the event due to its similarity with the stock market crash of 1929, which was also known as Black Tuesday. Black Wednesday shook the financial world and remains a significant event in economic history.